Have you ever found it hard to express your feelings with words? You're not alone. Sometimes traditional talk therapy can feel really intimidating or even insufficient. That's where art therapy comes in. It's a unique form of healing that taps into our innate creativity. So, what makes art therapy so powerful? I'm Jen. I'm a therapist and educator, and I specialize in art therapy, meaning I use creative techniques as a way to help people heal, grow, and reconnect with themselves. So let's explore a little bit about what art therapy actually is. Art therapy is a form of psychotherapy, and it uses creative expression like drawing, painting, collage, sculpture as a way to explore thoughts, experiences, and so much more. You don't need to be good at art to benefit. Not about the final product, it's about the process. Sometimes what's hard to say with words will find its voice through color, shape, and imagery. The sensory experience of art making can be incredibly grounding. The texture of clay, the movement of a brush, the feeling of paint on your fingers, it all engages our senses, helping reduce things like anxiety and promote relaxation. Art therapy is especially beneficial to those that have a hard time articulating their emotions. It provides a safe space to explore feelings and experiences without the pressure of finding the right words. An art therapist is trained to help you explore what your art might reveal, support you in understanding yourself more deeply throughout it. Art can access parts of the brain that words can't always reach. That makes it especially helpful for things like processing trauma, navigating grief, managing anxiety or depression, exploring identity or body image, or even just slowing down and reconnecting with the present moment. Art therapy can help us bypass that inner critic, soften self-judgment, and create space for insight, release, and transformation. It can be done individually, it can be done in groups, and every session is shaped by you, your needs, your place, and your story. Art therapists are trained master's levels clinicians with a background in the counseling and therapy field, such as marriage and family therapy, clinical mental health counseling. Art therapists are required to have training in art therapy, along with several hours of supervision and internship along the way. They might be registered with the Art Therapy Credential Board, the International Expressive Art Therapies Association, the American Art Therapy Association, and depending on state, they might be licensed with their state as an art therapist. Not all states have this specific license yet. Many states will just require you to have a license in another type of counseling and therapy field. So marriage and family therapy, clinical mental health counseling, licensed professional counseling, and so on. Just a quick recap. Art therapy utilizes creative expression to explore emotions. It provides a nonverbal outlet for feelings. It engages the senses to help promote relaxation. And it's facilitated by trained professionals. If you're seeking a new way to understand yourself, consider giving art therapy a try. Remember, you don't have to be an artist to benefit, and the creative process is for anybody. Thanks for joining me today. If you are curious about becoming an art therapist or what might be in an art therapist office, leave a comment below. I might make a video on those two things soon. If you are curious about enrolling in art therapy and you're in the state of Washington, I see clients in downtown Tacoma. You can reach out to me at creativewellbeings.com. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.